Alright guys, so we're working on this GE. As you can see right now, it is in spin. It's trying to lock. As you can hear, the lock is trying to lock. So we're getting power from the board, but the lock is just not responding. So we're gonna unplug, check the connections on the lock, make sure that everything is tight, and then we're gonna put it back together. If not, we might have to replace the lock itself or latch. All right guys, so we're going to change the switch. Okay, now not too bad. So what you want to do, you do have a little tab right there. I can't hold the phone and do it, so we're going to push this down and you're going to slide it that way. Okay, see it? It's already out. I can push it back in right there. Okay, now it's free. You push down and the switch is out. Okay, so we're gonna put the new one in. Okay, so you can close this lid or leave it open, and that lid is pretty much just gonna sit right there or fall. That's quite all right. And we're going to insert the new. Make sure that it's lined up to where your plug connection is. And of course, there's a tab. And you just set it right there. And you slide it over. Just make sure both are actually inserted up, because you want it to grab. Sorry. Okay. So you make sure everybody is in. Okay. Now you can slide it over to the right. It's locked in. Okay. Sorry about the angle. Now you plug your connection. Okay. Make sure that you're tight. Okay. Now you gotta get your other piece, and it gets inserted down into that, and that also. All right, guys, found the piece. Now, if you're not sure how this piece goes in, you do have a tab or in a hole, so they basically snap in together. Click. So this unit actually had two issues. We did replace the lid switch on it. Here we go, high speed.